Like creating them, moving them around, that kind of thing?
Yeah, absolutely. File management is where the command line really starts to shine. There are four basic commands that you'll use all the time: touch for creating files, CP for copying, MV for moving or renaming, and RM for removing files.
Let's start with creating files. How does that work?
So the touch command is the simplest way to create an empty file. Let's say you want to create a new text file called notes.txt. You just type touchnotes.txt and boom, you've got a new empty file. It's called touch because it originally was meant to update the timestamp on existing files, but it creates the file if it doesn't exist yet.
That's pretty straightforward. What about copying files from one place to another?
For copying, we use the cp command, which, well, stands for copy. The basic syntax is cp source destination. So if you want to copy that notes.txt file to your documents folder, you'd type something like cpnotes.txt documents. If you want to copy an entire directory and everything inside it, you'd add the R flag, which stands for recursive. That'd be cp-r folder name new location.
And if I wanted to move a file instead of copying it?
That's where MV comes in, short for move. The syntax is the same as cp mv source destination. So mvnotes.txt documents would move notes.txt to your documents folder. But here's a neat trick. MV is also how you rename files. If both the source and destination are in the same directory, it's effectively a rename operation.
Wait, so if I wanted to rename notes.txt to important underscore notes.txt, I just...
Exactly. You'd type mvnotes.txt important notes.txt and you've renamed the file. It's the same command whether you're moving or renaming. The command line doesn't really distinguish between those operations.